Okay, everyone, it's Soda, also known as Thomas. Figured I'd go ahead and do a bike check video status. As you can see, it's my bike. Lovely. My recent upgrades are, most recent upgrade is my chain and my back rim. Back rim's Eastern BiRectional, all white rim, left hand drive, the Shadow Conspiracy chain in white. Eastern Medusa Lite chain wheel. Stock Eastern cranks, painted white. I'm going to be getting I'm going to be getting the Eastern Pro cranks here coming this Thursday. All this paint's all custom. Go along. Best grips I've ever had. Seasoned Skaggle in blue. S&M Slam bars. GT Fueler stem. Fit Pro forks. Probably going to be painting these before too long. Stock Eastern front rim with a white KHE Flexi spoke, as well as little alloy blue caps. Otherwise, the bike is an Eastern Traildigger, and it's a pretty nice bike for what it is. Little free agent chain tensioner. Yep, and I think I'll probably cut it off at this. Oh, and then my sticker. Practice safe sex. Go fuck yourself. Word. Of course, I get all my stuff from the greatest mail order place in the world. Dance comp. Right there, people. Learn to love it. And that's where it's gonna end. Any questions? Give me a comment.